Ever jumped in your car, turned the key, and all you get is that dreaded click? That sinking feeling means your battery is likely on its last legs. Dead batteries always strike at the worst times, late for work, dark parking lot, or miles from help. But your car gives you warning signs before it leaves you stranded. Most people just miss them. Today I'll show you the clear signs your battery is about to die, from weird sounds to electrical glitches. And stick around for a simple driveway test to know for sure if your battery is toast. Let's dive in and keep you from getting stranded. First sign, listen when you start your car. If your engine cranks slowly, more vroom than a quick roar, your battery is struggling. A healthy battery gives the starter a strong jolt. A weak one can't keep up, especially if it happens often, not just on cold mornings. If you notice this slow crank more and more, don't ignore it. It's your battery's way of warning you it can't hold a charge. Replace it before you're left stranded. Pay attention to that sound. Next, check your headlights at night before starting the engine. Are they dim or yellowish? Start the car. Do the lights dim even more, or flicker when you use accessories like the radio or windows? That's a sign your battery can't handle the load, or your alternator isn't recharging it. Healthy batteries keep lights steady, even with extra demand. If your lights are doing a disco dance, get your battery and alternator checked. Don't wait for total darkness. Don't ignore the red battery warning light on your dash. If it stays on while driving, your charging system has a problem. It could be a dying battery, but often it's the alternator or a loose belt. When that light's on, your car is running on borrowed time. Get your battery and charging system tested immediately. That light means trouble is coming fast. Pop your hood and check the battery terminals for white, blue, or greenish fuzz, corrosion. This gunk blocks electricity, causing starting problems and weird electrical issues. Clean it off with baking soda and water, but if it keeps coming back, your battery is leaking and needs replacing. Chronic corrosion means your battery's seals are failing. Don't let corrosion choke off your power. Failing batteries cause strange electrical issues. Slow power windows, flickering interior lights, or your radio presets resetting. These gremlins show your battery can't keep voltage steady. Accessories are more sensitive to low voltage than the starter. If your car's electronics act possessed, suspect the battery. Don't blame ghosts. Blame a dying battery. Batteries don't last forever. 3 to 5 years is typical. Check the date sticker on your battery. If it's over 4 years old, replace it before it fails. Don't wait for a breakdown. Be proactive. A new battery is cheaper than a tow and a missed meeting. Preventative replacement saves headaches. The ultimate sign, turn the key, and all you get is a single click or rapid clicking. No engine crank, just silence. That's your starter solenoid clicking, but the battery is too weak to turn the engine. You'll need a jump start, but don't just drive off and forget it. A deeply drained battery may never recover. Get your battery and charging system tested right away. Ignore this, and you'll be stranded again soon. Now you know the 7 warning signs of a dying battery. Stay alert, slow cranks, dim lights, warning lights, corrosion, weird electronics, old age, and that final click. Check your battery every few months and keep terminals clean. If it's old, replace it before it fails. Use a cheap multimeter. If it reads below 12.4 volts, it's getting weak. Like this video? Hit like, subscribe to 4 Wheels Empire, and ring the bell for more smart car tips. Until next time, keep your wheels on the road.